Hey guys, what's up? So 3 showing top best jerseys for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first tweet is called Drain. Find out when your battery drains and gives you suggestions on what tweak. So it tells you basically what tweak is draining your battery the most. The next tweak is called Block US, and basically it's the privacy ad blocker. So it's one of the best ad blockers. It does cause some issues with certain tweets, certain things. So, but it is one of the best ad blockers, and for privacy wise, it's pretty amazing. The next tweak is called Sudo Templation Root Privileges. This is called Sudoku Solver. A free Sudoku solver can solve any valid Sudoku grid. This is called CC Uptime. Check your device uptime from the control center. So uptime, basically how much you've been on your device. This is called Privacy Tools. The Privacy Beta. This is called Privacy Call. Bio off enabled security thingy after a call or when you press home button in a call. This is called Better Reachability, makes reachability more useful by scaling down the interface. Also, another tweet is called libhooker configurator and configuration utility for libhooker. I believe that's only for on Cilio only because it's by Coolstar. This is called Size Scroll, aims to allow you to use your iPhone, iPod Touch, iPad's accelerometer or volume buttons to scroll in iOS. This is called Pickpocket or Pickpocket 2 and Tire Thieves. You scare that a thief would steal your phone. Someone stole your iPhone in the past, then this tweak is made for you. It's fully feature highly customizable to save tweet to protect your device against thieves. And this is called TW Follow Config or Conf. Then this tweet is called Copy 2 and all-in-one solution to have contact pictures everywhere on your iDevice. This is called Choicy. It's an advanced tweak configurator, so allows you to, especially iOS 10 and 14. Basically, you can, allows you to choose what tweets interact with, what apps. So pretty cool. If you can also use it as a bypass jailbreak detection. Even though it's not made for one, you still could technically use it as one, depending on the method that the application uses to detect your jailbreak. So don't freeze both disable tweak injection and custom tweak configuration for user managers to enable both at the same time. So, make absolutely sure preference order cannot be disabled by Choicy. So these are just the updates. This is called Choicy Loader. Do not install on jailbreaks that don't use Substrate. So you basically want to install this one like the Checkra1n. You don't want to install on like Unc0ver, but yeah, install on like Checkra1n jailbreak. And this helps basically load Choicy first, so it helps Choicy work. Next is called YouTube Reborn. It's YouTube customizer, similar to YouTube++. Also, this has have a download feature for YouTube, so you download videos. Next is called Half, new iOS battery indicator style for iOS 11.13, which is a beautiful iOS battery indicator concept for iOS devices. Next is called Dado Plus, and notifications your style. So notification badges are replaced with minimalistic, intrusive little dots. Customize your dots by choosing between one of the 11 hand-picked colors, or choose your own color or custom color with the color picker. So it does support iOS 14. The next tweet is called Puck and prevent the need of re-jailbreaking. One of my favorite tweets is called Backgrounder. You at least need iOS 13.0 for this to support it. And truly backgrounder apps, so you can have your apps in the background and still have them open even though you're not in them. What's great about this tweak is what's different about other background tweets, the couple other ones on Cydia that support the latest iOS versions, is that with this one, this is my favorite because you can lock your device and still have the app basically running, and just like you would be like if you're on that app. So I know certain apps like that, if you go out of them, they might like stop loading or like they don't load as fast. But this basically will always have it on, even if you have the lock screen, even if you have your screen turned off. So I think that's really amazing. So just for example, if I'm uploading a YouTube video, I could have this on and have my screen turn off and save battery, but also it work in the background. Privacy note. It's just you do so much with this. Even if I'm uploading files to Google Drive, it does still work in the background, but it does it a lot faster if I have it on. So you can use it for 100 different reasons, but this is amazing tweak. This is called LS Vibrant Clock Date. Vibrant clock or date on the lock screen. This is called Aerial Changer. Have you ever wanted to change your screensaver on Apple TV? And this tweak you can airdrop your video to ethereal, and let the tweak do the rest. And this is called Be Gone Sia, iOS 11, 12, and 13. It lets you control your privacy by giving you a control center toggle to enable disable your microphone, camera, and GPS. The next is called Esme, and only time or however that Enya song went. So screen share view on TV OS. This is called Big Ben, Hickory, Dickory, Dock, This is Mouse Ramp the Clock. Greatest Clock, Big Ben sounds at 10 a.m. or p.m. This is called Fly JBS. You can hide doing your jailbreak your iDevice, which is jailbreak bypass detection. No Sleep Till Brooklyn. Okay. This is called No Sleep Till Brooklyn and brings back the sleep menu alert from tvOS 12 to tvOS 13 and higher. This is called CC Linker. Lets you navigate to the respective settings for the control center module by using gestures. So compare all devices around iOS 11, 12.1.2 for non-3D touch devices. This is called Hide My Dock TV. And adjust the transparency or hide the dock on tvOS 13 and higher. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.